Loads and loads of people always DM us going, I've bought this, I think I've been scammed, and they have. And they have. So that's why I'm doing it. I want to teach you. I want you not to get scammed. In this episode, I'm going to teach you become an expert at authenticating Valentinos. So, as you know, people get scammed all the time by buying fake items off eBay, off Depop, off Instagram, off social media. And a lot of people do this by either putting up a real picture and sending you a fake, or just like putting up the fakes and you don't know they're a fake because you don't know the difference. I just love sharing my knowledge with you guys, because when I was younger and when I was looking at buying shoes, I would always be looking at fake versus reals. I would always be looking at reviews. So here we have two boxes. So we have this box and then we have this box as well. If you're looking at it, obviously this is the fake box and this is the genuine box. The first thing you'll notice is the size difference. This is thinner and longer. Another thing is something that you've got to look at is this font here. So when you're looking at this is quite shiny, it's quite sleek, it's quite thin. And then you look at this and it's still shiny, but it's really, really gold. It's a lot thicker. That Garavani font is a lot bigger compared to that one. Apart from that, the colouring is also very, very off on this one. This is like yellowy. This is the sticker on the fake one. So as you can see, it has like a really bad picture of the shoe. On the genuine Valentinos, they tend to have like a sketch of it. If you look at the sizing, you can see how big this 39 is. That is humongous compared to how they look on most stickers like this. This isn't the sticker for all of them. This is just for the retailer it came from. But they generally look very, very similar. As you can see, first thing that spots this is Chinese writing. If you see a pair of shoes with Chinese writing on, that is a huge red flag. I have the genuine one. Here I have the fake one. So the first part that I want to focus on is the tongue of the shoe. This one, which is the genuine one, the green is a lot darker compared to this one, which is the fake one. If you also look at the font, you can see that the fake one looks very stretched out and a lot thicker compared to the genuine one. The next part that I want to look at is the backs of the shoe. This is the genuine one and this is the fake one. So as you can see at the top on the leather tabs just here, this one, the genuine one, is a lot darker. If you look at the rock studs, it's a lot lighter on the genuine one. But the main part I want you to focus on is this bottom bit here. So as you can see, this bit on the fake one is humongous compared to this bit on the genuine one. And I don't know whether you can see that like that, but look how much it comes out on the fake one. Like, it's a lot larger. So the next part we will look at is the code. This is the genuine code. This fake font, and you can just see that it's off straight away, can't you? So I'll try and get them in the same shot. There we go. Designer brands have specific fonts, and as you can see, the fake one is nowhere near it. So if you look here, you can see that this midsole is a lot larger. It comes out of the shoe a lot more. Like, the midsole is wider than the upper of the shoe, whereas on the genuine one here, it's about the same size. It comes out off the shoe a similar amount. The Valentino camo itself, it is different, but every single Valentino Rockrunner has a unique camo. Something that I do want you to focus on is this stitching here. So as you can see, this is really thick and it kind of goes up a lot straighter compared to this one here, which is a lot thinner and it's a lot more like diagonal. Like, it goes like that instead of up and up. The laces on the genuine one that I'm tapping now, they're a lot thicker than these ones on the fake one, but they're also like a lot more grey in colour. These ones are like very, very pink. I want to touch on one last part, which is the sole. So if you look at this genuine one here, you can see that the sole, the outsole, is very thin when it goes to the middle. If you look at the fake one on the bottom here, it's just really wide all the way through. And also looking at the rock studs in the middle, these rock studs are a lot smaller than these rock studs. And then also the font is a lot larger on the fake one than on the genuine one here. That is basically everything you need to know about the Valentino Rockrunner. So let me know in the comment section whether you could now tell a genuine Rockrunner. Loads and loads of people always DM us going, I've bought this, I think I've been scammed, and they have. And they have. So that's why I'm doing it. I want to teach you. I want you not to get scammed.